Hello, I'm Matteo of Valentin Software, and today I'm going to show you how to use Solcast climate data within PV-Sol. Solcast is a global provider of solar data services to more than 17,000 users around the world. Solcast specializes in creating accurate solar irradiance and PV power datasets for historical, real-time and forecast applications and making them available via a reliable, fast and secure API. In PV-Sol 2022 and newer, you can use their TMY P50 data directly and for free. In order to do that, just open a new PV-Sol project and define your basic project data. After you've done that, click on System Type, Climate and Grid. Under Climate Data, click on the globe symbol on the right side. Now Meteosil will automatically be opened within PV-Sol. Here you have to click on Create Climate Data for a new location, and a map will be opened. And because Solcast has such a great global coverage, you can select any place in the world where you want to get your climate data for. In my case, I'm just going to select a place close to Sydney. Now I select Solcast TMY and confirm. Now, if you already have an existing Solcast account, just fill in your email address and your personal API key. If you don't have an existing account, you can remove the API key and just fill in the email address you want an account for. Upon confirmation, a free tier Solcast account will be automatically registered in your name, giving you the possibility to access their TMY climate data files. You have 2 free TMY P50 datasets per month for free. Because I already have a Solcast account, I am going to use my personal API key to get the climate data. Now I confirm, and a TMY P50 dataset will be automatically downloaded into PV-Sol. Once you've completed that, you can go into your 3D design and start planning your PV plant right away.